Hi everyone! This is Thara. She's flying to England today. Let's follow her journey and learn some useful airport vocabulary along the way. Before leaving, Thara is carefully packing her suitcase and handbag with all her travel essentials, like clothes, passport, tickets, and a phone. Once her packing is done, Thara checks her passport, ticket, and phone one last time. She's all set for the trip. A passport is your international ID, and a ticket shows your flight details. With everything ready, Thara picks up her luggage and steps outside, carrying her passport and ticket in hand. Now Thara waits at the curb with her suitcase and handbag. Soon, the taxi arrives, and she gets in to begin her ride to Terminal 4 of the International Airport. It's always a good idea to check the time of departure and make sure you're headed to the right terminal before you leave. Check the pinned comment for the full meanings of all the important airport vocabulary words. Soon, Thara arrives at the airport and heads toward Terminal 4. At the main entrance, staff check her passport and ticket. She then steps inside to start the check-in process. At the check-in counter, Thara shows her passport and ticket. The airline staff checks them carefully before proceeding. After checking her documents, the airline staff confirms Thara's booking and prints her boarding pass, guiding her for the next steps before security. After getting her boarding pass, Thara goes to the baggage drop area. There, she places her suitcase on the weighing scale. The staff checks the weight of the suitcase. Since it's within the allowed limit, they attach a baggage tag and send it off to the plane. Thara keeps her handbag with her as her carry-on. After tagging, the staff places the suitcase on the conveyor belt, sending it off to the plane. With her checked luggage done, Thara moves to the security area. She places her phone and handbag on the conveyor for scanning. Then, Thara walks through the metal detector while staff inspect her belongings on the conveyor. Once the staff finish inspecting her belongings, Thara collects her phone and handbag and continues toward the immigration area. Next, Thara goes through immigration. An officer examines her passport and boarding pass and stamps her passport. Having cleared immigration, Thara finds her gate in the departure lounge. She waits, relaxing and checking her phone. After some time, the boarding announcement is made, calling passengers to start boarding. Thara heads to her gate, ready to board the plane. Thara shows her boarding pass and passport to the airline staff and walks along the jet bridge to find her assigned seat on the plane. As Thara steps inside the plane, a friendly flight attendant welcomes her on board. Flight attendants help passengers find their seats and make sure everyone is comfortable and safe. Thara finds her seat and fastens her seatbelt securely. She's all set for takeoff. Finally, Thara sits comfortably as the plane prepares for takeoff. Her journey to England is about to begin. The flight has taken off. Stay tuned and subscribe to watch Thara's exit process when she arrives in England. Which video should I make next? Comment down below.